that. We can obtain a certain stat for a subset of variables using the sapply command. Sapply will perform a calculation on the columns, so specified columns of your data frame. So it takes this form, sapply data frame, where we specify also which columns of the data frame, followed by the name of the stat. Example, suppose we want the mean of, for this two-proof data, of length and dose, not for sup because it doesn't make sense. So I want to select the first column and the third column. Then we do this sapply tooth growth, where we select the first column and third column. I've shown in the previous video what this thing means. We want to find the mean. Enter. There. Now it gives us the length and dose. We could replace this mean by all the other stats I've introduced to you today. So instead of mean, we could have standard deviation, or we could have skewness, etc., etc. Right, moving on. I'm going to show you now how to find the summary statistics of a given factor. Say I want to find the mean of length over sup. So sup is nominal, VC and OJ. So I want to know, like, what is the mean of this variable length for sup being VC and for when it's OJ. We can do that by using the split command with sapply, and it takes this format. So I want to calculate a certain statistic for a given column, where I split my data frame here. I put the name of the continuous variable that I'm interested in, followed by the factor that I like to calculate the stat of this thing for over this factor, and the name of the stat I want. So say I want to calculate the mean of length over sup. I do this. sapply split, name of continuous variable, the factor, the mean. There you go. So for OJ, the mean of length is 20.66, but when it's VC, it's 16.96. Very useful command. As a revision from previous videos, here I've used this name of the data frame $var to access the variable. Instead of doing that, and instead of using attach, which we wish to avoid, we can use the with command. So I'm going to get the same result using the with command, with the data frame and then sapply. See, I don't know which one you prefer. They both give you the same results. There you go. Okay, finally, to finish up on this video, we want to see what the frequency is. Frequency table. When we get a frequency table, so here we do that by using the table command, table of dose and sup. Okay, that's ordinal versus. They're both categorical. Wait a second. With, yes, now that I know that, to growth. No. There you go. So this tells us that 10 observations at OJ at a dose of half, well, basically 10 for each one. So you've got 6 possibilities, 6 scenarios, and number of observations is the same in each one. So this looks, yeah. So we're saying this looks like a two-way ANOVA, and it's a balanced design. Same number of observations in each cell. Observations here being length, so it's 10 lengths for this one, 10 lengths for that one, so well. Okay, so in this video I've introduced you to a heck of a lot of commands. Pick the one that you want and have a go. Get a hold of a data set and repeat the process that I've done. That way you will get a hang of it. Okay, hope this has been helpful.